In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy now in Depop. By the end, you'll feel confident checking out quickly and securely without any guesswork. First, head to the Depop website or open the app. Make sure you're on the home page so you can see the latest listings and curated picks. If you already know what you're after, use the search bar and filters like size, brand, and condition to narrow things down. Otherwise, scroll the feed and browse until something catches your eye. When you spot an item you like, tap to open it. This takes you to the item details page, which is where you should slow down and review everything carefully before you buy. Read the full description for notes on condition, any flaws, and fit. Check all the photos, zooming in on areas like seams, cuffs, and prints for signs of wear. Confirm the size and measurements if provided, and look at the seller's ratings and recent reviews for peace of mind. Also, check shipping details on the page so you know the estimated cost and method. If anything's unclear, it's worth asking the seller a quick question before moving forward. Once you're happy with what you see, tap the Buy Now button on the item page. Buy Now skips offers and secures the item at the listed price. You'll be taken to checkout, where you'll review your shipping address. Enter your full name and complete address, including apartment or unit numbers, and make sure your postal code is correct. A small typo here can lead to delivery issues, so take a moment to double check. After your address looks good, review the order summary. You should clearly see the item price, shipping, and any taxes or fees before you pay. If something doesn't add up, you can go back and adjust. Next, proceed to the payment section. Choose your preferred payment method and enter the required details. Make sure your billing information matches your bank or card records to avoid declines. If you're using a saved method, confirm that it's still valid and up to date. When everything is set, click Pay. Keep the screen open until you see a confirmation message. You'll receive a receipt and order confirmation, and the purchase will appear in your Depop account under Purchases. From there, you can track updates and communicate with the seller if needed. That's it. You've just completed a Buy Now purchase on Depop. Browse, review, buy now, confirm your address, choose payment, and pay. Follow these steps each time and checkout will be fast, accurate, and stress-free.